Yesterday in court was a tremendous event that happened, and I'm going to bring to you details of proceedings that happened in the court yesterday. The late counsel Levi Uzoku, SAN, of the Labour Party presidential candidate Peter Obi on Wednesday accused the chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC), Professor Mahmood Yakubu, of dodging court summons. Speaking at the resumed hearing of the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal in Abuja, Uzoku said the INEC chairman has refused to accept a subpoena from the bailiff of the court. He added, however, that an agreement has been reached between him and INEC-led counsel Mahmood SAN for the subpoena, court summon, to be served on any member of his team. My lord, I drew the attention of the INEC-led counsel A.B. Mahmood to the failure of the office of the INEC chairman to accept the service of a subpoena to produce more electoral documents despite the effort of the bailiffs of this court. He, Mahmood, graciously asked me to give him a copy of the subpoena, but I did not have an extra copy to give him now, and he asked me to give to any member of his team, he said. Uzoku, however, said he does not have an extra copy of the subpoena, but would send a copy to the INEC legal team after the day's proceedings while requesting the leave of the court for proceedings to be adjourned. I am confident that he will do the needful for us to continue tomorrow, Uzoku said. Don't blame us for your ineptitude. However, one of the counsels representing INEC, Oluwakemi Pinheiro SAN, countered Uzoku, saying the petitioners are trying to blame his clients for their own failures. It has become a habit. Whenever they want to seek an adjournment, they look for somebody to whip. It cannot be true that a subpoena is refused by the office of the INEC chairman. Don't use INEC as a whipping boy. If they have nothing else to do today, they should just say so. It is their day. It is not correct that the office of INEC chairman refused to accept a subpoena. This habit is showing that you are only stalling the case. You've only called 2 witnesses out of the 50 witnesses you said you would call, and it has been 2 weeks since tribunal started. I just want to make it clear that it is not correct that the INEC chairman refused to respond to the subpoena. The chairman of INEC has no interest whatsoever, so it's very unfair and uncharitable, the INEC lawyer retorted. So, the INEC chairman was served a subpoena by the Labour Party lawyers, and he rejected, avoided in totality the summon of the court. What do you guys think about this? INEC chairman behaving as if he is a candidate in his own election. All right, behaving as if he's a candidate in his own election is one of the worst things that he has to do. So I don't know what you guys think about this. The INEC chairman is supposed to accept a subpoena and appear in court today so that he can verify what has been said. There have been tensions growing here and there in the APC camp because INEC chairman will testify in court against Tinubu. INEC National Chairman Professor Mahmood Yakubu is expected to appear before the Presidential Election Petition Court in Abuja today. Yakubu was scheduled to testify on the petition filed by Atiku and the PDP to challenge the declaration of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu as the winner of the 2023 presidential election. Atiku, the PDP presidential flag bearer in the 2023 election, alleged that INEC connived with Tinubu of the APC to manipulate the presidential election. Mahmood Yakubu, the chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission, has been scheduled and subpoenaed to testify before the Presidential Election Petition Court in Abuja today. The chairman of the electoral umpire will testify in the petition by Atiku filed to challenge the victory of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Now, Atiku's lawyer asked the court to allow the INEC chairman appear in person before the court. Chris Uche, the late counsel to Atiku and the PDP, told Justice Haruna Samani's led 5-member panel that the INEC chairman would appear before the judge. On the request of Atiku, Yakubu has been ordered to testify before the court on the controversial election. What is INEC chairman expected to do if he appears before the tribunal on Thursday? Also, The INEC boss is expected to present some sensitive electoral documents in support of the suit by the petitioner. Uche, who is a senior advocate of Nigeria, has put INEC, Tinubu, and the legal team of the APC on notice in relation to the schedule of Yakubu's appearance before the court on Thursday with the expectation of forestalling any move that could obstruct the hearing. Yakubu had on Wednesday, March 1, announced Tinubu as the winner of the 2025 presidential election, having, according to him, satisfied the requirement of the law, but PDP, Atiku, and some other opposition parties objected to the declaration of Ahmed Bola Tinubu as the president. All right, so guys, it has finally come to the doorstep of the INEC chairman. He has been quietly watching and paying attention to what has been going on in the tribunal. But right now, Labour Party and PDP have brought the whole matter to his doorstep. In fact, it is time for them to drag him to the court. So that's what's going to happen today. I will keep you updated on what is going on. So if you don't want to miss any part of this, make sure to subscribe if you have not yet done so. And I give a big shout out to all of you who have subscribed already. I will keep keeping you updated on what is going on. Thanks for watching.